kids, don't you love sports? Let's draw a football. Draw pentagons in the circle and connect them all together. Let's paint with dark grey. And light grey too. And that's how easy it is to make a football. For the next one, draw a circle and color in with orange. Can you guess which sports ball this is? And now draw the curvy lines. Yes! Here is our basketball. On to the next one. A ball with 3 sections. And draw curvy lines inside each. Let's paint with blue, yellow, and a light sky blue. Done! A volleyball! Now, next, draw a circle, 2 semicircles within. Let's paint with fluorescent green. Great! And a light grey. Yay! Our tennis ball looks great! Next one is super easy. A ball with 3 small circles. Paint it grey. Do you know which sports ball this is? Smaller circles with black. That's right, a bowling ball. Wasn't it fun drawing all these cool sports balls? Hey kids, today we're going to draw a yummy watermelon popsicle. First we're going to draw a triangle. That's right. Then we're going to add the base and the popsicle stick. Oh look, it already looks so great. Now let's start adding some colors. We'll color some red, and then some green. Isn't this fun? Now let's add some yellow for the popsicle stick. And lastly, some purple. And there it is, kids. Watermelon popsicle. Enjoy!
Hey kids! Whoa! This is a bubble tea. Let's draw it. Begin with a semicircle. The ears, eyes, a nose and a cute smile. We are drawing a cute panda lid. A straw popping out of the cute panda face. Then the see-through cup. Add some waves there. And finally, the tapioca bubbles. thicken those borders. Keep going. Time to paint. Let's start with sparkling red for the straw. And glittery pink for the ears. Use this silver shiny white for Panda's face. Sparkling black for Panda's eyes. Red for the nose and tongue. Some pink. Bright and shiny yellow for the lid. We will start with icy cool blue for the first layer. Woo! Bubbling already! Berry purple for the second layer. Matcha green for the third layer. Bright and shiny yellow. And lastly, strawberry pink for the final layer. Looks so appetizing already. Use shiny brown for our tapioca bubbles. Here is our colorful bubble tea. Wanna sip some? See you next time. Bye-bye.
Subscribe and watch more. Chiki Art.